Want to get your book in front of the right audience without spending a dime? Goodreads might be the platform for you to consider. For those who are unfamiliar with Goodreads, it is a social platform made for book lovers with millions of active users that's owned by Amazon. It's perfect for increasing author visibility, credibility, and growing your community. In this episode of Demystifying Self-Publishing, we're going to be chatting all things Goodreads, including how to claim your author profile. Let's get started. Goodreads indexes pretty much every single book available on Amazon or other online retailers. The platform itself allows for readers to create book lists made up of their TBR list or to be read list. They can leave reviews on books that they love, participate in challenges, bond with other community members over their favorite or not so favorite books, and of course, follow their favorite authors for updates and future book projects. If you're an author, you have the opportunity to claim your author profile. So if you hop onto Goodreads, you can claim it there are a couple of benefits to claiming your author profile. Firstly, it allows for you to establish credibility. A verified author profile looks professional. It allows for your readers to connect with you and follow your profile for updates or leave reviews on your books. It allows for you to control the data associated with your book, including the description, the author bio, and the metadata that's available for your book. And it has tools just for authors like Goodreads giveaways, which allows for you to run giveaways and promote events. So how can you claim your author profile? If you already have a Goodreads account, simply log in, or if you haven't yet created one, go ahead and create one now. You can use your own email address, or you can sign in using your Amazon account. Next, search for your book. Of course, make sure that it's in the system. If it's on Amazon, it probably is. Once you've found your book, by searching it in the search bar, click on your name under author to go to the author page. At the bottom of the author page, click Is This You? Fill out the author program form. Once your information has been completed, submit and wait for approval. This usually takes a couple of days. However, there are some key tips that can expedite this process. For example, take whatever email address is associated with the author form that you submitted and ensure it's on the front page of your website. This is going to make it easier for Goodreads to screen and verify the association between you and your website, the book, and the author profile. Once this has been completed, it often expedites the process for authors who have just submitted their author program form. Once you've claimed your author profile, there are some different ways you can optimize it. Oh, hey, it's me. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to get your freebie in the description below. Let's get back into the video. Of course, uploading a great author photo that's friendly and approachable and on brand is a great place to start. Next, write a compelling bio. Mention your books, the genre, some fun facts about yourself. Consider that this might be a reader's first introduction to you as an author. Next, link your blog or website to enhance your search engine optimization or SEO. If you link your website and blog through a website platform like WordPress, it will automatically keep the blog updated on your Goodreads profile for you. You can also add book trailers or videos like YouTube podcast appearances or speaking engagements through YouTube links. And of course, it's important to keep it updated as you add more work. Like any other social platform, it's important to be engaged with your audience. Through Goodreads, you can write your own reviews or rate other books that you've read. You can join different communities on Goodreads, including different challenges, answer reader questions through the Q&A section on your author profile, post updates to your profile using the Goodreads status to show progress of your work, or run a giveaway. A giveaway allows for you to attract new readers, collect reviews, and put yourself on the radar of those who maybe haven't yet heard of you or your work. There is a standard and a premium giveaway option. Both of them are great ways to get your book in front of new audiences. Whether you're looking to send out a hard copy of your book or an ebook, although you will need to be backed by a publisher if you're going the ebook route. The main difference between the standard and the premium giveaway is, of course, the price and also the promotion, visibility, and the number of copies that are given away through the giveaway. One mistake that authors often make when trying to sell their book is coming off as too self-promotional, salesy, or even spammy. It's really important as an author to focus on building a genuine community and loyal readership, and that happens through two-way engagement, added value, and human connection. Readers want to feel like they're connecting with their favorite authors, not a sales machine. Goodreads has strict guidelines for this reason. So be sure you are not spamming readers or groups, and instead you're actively showing up where your prospective readers or loyal fan base are in the different groups and communities. Another mistake that authors make is responding to negative reviews in an argumentative way. It's of course okay to respond and thank people for taking the time to leave a review. However, negatively interacting with a reader who's taken the time to read your book and leave a review can be viewed as not being able to receive criticism, and it could create backlash within your loyal readership community. To recap, if you're looking for free marketing to increase your book's visibility and to build authentic community connections, Goodreads is a great social media platform for you to explore. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on our post notifications, and be sure to download your free Goodreads author profile checklist in the description below. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.